So I will talk today about consuming in a sustainable world. When you think about sustainability, you have to imagine that what you have designed, the building you have designed will stay for a long, long time. 10 years ago, as an interior architect, I had to be careful with to be green, but it was not in my guts. Because all my practice was totally different. I learned it while I was doing it, and I think we all learn it. And now it's something which is becoming, it helps our creativity. It changed our mind. We are doing, so maybe when we design things, we have to be careful. But also, it has to be easy to disassemble, easy to redo something with it. So it's the beginning of this, maybe this understanding of plastic, our invention, our monster. Wood is the plastic of the future. For many years, when I start my practice as a designer, I knew plastic, I knew metal, I knew nothing about wood. Now, we understood that wood is taking this energy from the sun forever. With our technology, with our understanding of what's wood, we will use it. It will be in rockets.
This famous chair designed in SolidWorks in 2004 has been standing at the MoMA in New York, is one of the most important iconic chairs on Earth. And it's also in the Museum of Vitra in 2018, so congratulations, please. This is important.